In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to model a bookcase, populate it with a book generator, and apply textures fast. We'll start by blocking out the bookcase with a simple cube, then refine it using just two essentials: extrude inner and extrude. Create a cube at roughly the size you want, then switch to the front face. Use extrude inner to create an inset that defines the thickness of your outer frame. Think of this as carving out the interior while keeping a sturdy border. With that inset still active, use extrude to push the inner face backward, giving the bookcase its depth and leaving you with a clean shell. For shelves, repeat the same two tools on the interior. Use extrude inner to draw out the horizontal bands where shelves will live, then extrude to give those bands real thickness. Keep the offsets consistent so the shelves look uniform, and make sure your extrusions are along the local axis of the selected faces for clean geometry. If your software offers options like preserving groups or offset constraints, keep them on to prevent faces from separating or overlapping. Next, we'll quickly fill the case using the book generator. Add it to your scene and point it to the shelf area or the entire bookcase, depending on how your setup works. Set the number of items per shelf, then define size ranges for height, width, and thickness to get a natural mix. Introduce a bit of randomness for spacing and rotation, so the books don't look perfectly aligned. Enable magazines and folders as part of the mix if you want more variety, and adjust their thickness and height separately from books. Use alignment controls to stack items left, right, or centered, and add subtle gaps so nothing clips through the shelves. If there's a seed value, change it until you like the distribution. A quick pass like this usually gives you a convincing spread without any manual placement. Finally, let's apply textures so the library comes to life. Locate the book textures included with your project or in your asset library, typically organized into spines, covers, backs, and pages. In the book generator's material slots, assign a pages material for the edges and a cover material for the front, back, and spine. If your tool supports randomization from a folder, drop in multiple covers and let it pick a different one for each book automatically. Check that spines align correctly with the thickness of each item and adjust the projection or scale if needed. Do the same for magazines and folders for consistent variety. As a finishing touch, you can apply a subtle wood material to the bookcase so everything feels cohesive. Preview the scene, tweak any spacing, and you've got a finished bookcase ready to render.